Well, a steady serious issue that has happened on the 21st of October this month at the place called Wipolo Shrine, the village near the place that is in Paimol. 5 people were shot with a gun by a UPDF officer who killed 3 people on the spot, and 2 are left with critical injuries and nursing their injuries. So now a new development that has surfaced is UPDF has condemned this action via their official website. But first of all, let's take a look at the details of what happened, because uh, details have emerged, and we need to get to it as quick as possible. Yeah. So, as you can see, the UPDF, together with police, are investigations into circumstances under which a soldier shot 3 people dead and injured 2 others, according to the UPDF 5th Infantry Division spokesperson, Captain Adrian Mwanda. The incident happened around midnight on Sunday when Private Boni Ameng escaped from his place of work at Lukum Detach and went to Ngora East Village, Ngora Parish, in Paimol Sub-County, Agago District, where he shot, as I already said earlier. Preliminary information indicates that PTE Boni, 45 years old, had misunderstandings with his father, one Angom Betty, who escaped from him. Its father alleged that on a shooting rampage as he was looking for taken her. That is possibly the man who they were conflicting with. And this report was being reported by a man called Captain Mwanda. He fired the deceased as of Pio Sunday, 21 years old, Akidi Santino, 47 years old, and Ajalo Florence, 16 years old, whose bodies have been taken to Dr. Ambrosoli Memorial Hospital along for postmortem, while the injured, including who is 47 years old, and Pio Janet, 20 Memorial Hospital for further management. The UPDF leadership regrets and condemns such an incident of misconduct and remains committed to pursuing the soldier who is still at large for prosecution at the scene of crime and justice. That is what said while giving this issued a statement on the official website, meaning no further investigation. They've admitted that indeed shot people. So this is, if you check the official website of the UPDF, they've made it clear. So they say the Uganda People's Defense Forces UPDF has learned of the nasty and regrettable incident in which a soldier, Private Ramon Boni of UPDF, shot dead 3 innocent civilians and injured 2 in Agago district. The gruesome incident happened on the 20th October 2024 at around midnight in Ngora East Village, Ngora Parish, Paimol Sub-County in Agago North County in Agago district. Preliminary information, as the UPDF says, repeats what we had already previously talked about. And the UPDF regrets and condemns such an incident of misconduct and remains committed to pursuing the soldier who is still at large for prosecution. A joint investigation by UPDF and sister security agencies is underway. The UPDF undertakes to meet the burial arrangements of the deceased. The army will also meet the medical expenses of the injured. So this is the official document that the UPDF issued, condemning this and confirming that they will take the burial expenses and also the treatment of those who have been injured. I think this is a good development from UPDF to this kind of bad news as soon as possible, as quick as possible. Shows how professional our army has come. Thank you so much to the UPDF, and also may God grant eternal rest to the people who have passed away, and those who are injured, may they have a quick recovery. Thank you so much, and I wish you a nice time.